Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to snap objects in Unity so you can place them precisely and build levels faster. First, look at the top toolbar and click the magnet icon. Once this is enabled, any object you move will automatically snap to the grid. Now, when you drag an object in the scene view, you'll notice it snaps perfectly instead of moving freely. This is great for keeping everything aligned. To customize snapping, open the grid and snap settings. Here, you can change the grid size to match your project, smaller values for detail work, larger values for blockouts. If you want even more control, hold V on your keyboard. This allows you to snap one object's vertex directly to another vertex. And if snapping isn't enabled, you can still snap temporarily by holding Shift on Windows or Command on Mac while moving an object.